To create Quranic text, like Lofi Quran and Zikrullah TV, and use it again and again in your videos, just follow this tutorial. Open Photoshop and create document width 1920 and height 1080. And click on Artboard options on. Select black color and click on Create. Now, press T on keyboard or click on Text tool in toolbar. Click on Artboard center area and draw a rectangle like this. Open any browser and go to Previous, Quran.com, and select the surah you want to make. Now, copy text you want in your video by selecting and right-click on it, and choosing Copy option, and then go to Reading tab, and note the page number, in my case 293. Then, go to Photoshop and paste it, and set rectangle size according to text. How to download fonts for Quran. Check Video in I button and search for page No 293 if you have same page or text. Then, press Alt-Shift and drag text box to duplicate and perfectly aligned. Then, open browser again and copy Sahih International Translation and paste in the duplicated text box and select font from here to Imbirma.